Imagine sitting in a busy cafe. Someone points at a coat. They ask, "Is this yours?" You need to say, "It is mine." Today we learn possessive pronouns in Dutch. These words show who owns something. In English, my, your, his, her. In Dutch, mijn, jouw, zijn, haar. Let's look at our first examples. Dit is mijn koffie. This is my coffee. Is dat jouw koffie? Is dat jouw koffie? Laten we beginnen. Let's begin. Notice mijn means my and jouw means your. Next we have his and her. Zijn means his. Dit is zijn hond.
Haar means her. Dit is haar kat. This is her cat. Can you guess the next sentence? How do you say my dog? Take a short moment to think. The correct answer is dit is mijn hond. This is my dog. Very well done. Now let's look at our. Dutch uses ons and onze. Use ons for het-words. Dit is ons huis. This is our house. Use onze for de words. Dit is onze auto. This is our car. For plural your, use jullie. Is dit jullie fiets? Is this your bike? For their, use hun. Dat is hun tuin. That is their garden. Time for a quick pattern drill. Dit is mijn boek. This is my book. Dit is jouw boek. This is your book. Dit is zijn boek. This is his book. Dit is haar boek. This is her book. Dit is ons boek. This is our book. Welcome to the error clinic. Mistake 1. Saying jouw instead of jouw. Listen to this wrong sentence. Dit is jouw boek. This is your book. Jouw is wrong here. Use jouw. Here is the correct sentence. Dit is jouw boek. This is your book. Mistake 2. Wrong form for our. Listen to this error. Dit is ons auto. This is our car. Auto is a de word. So you must use onze. Here is the right sentence. Dit is onze auto. This is our car. Remember, ons for het, onze for de. Let's recap today's main rule. Vandaag leerden we bezittelijke voornaamwoorden.
Today, we learned possessive pronouns. Great job today, and happy studying!